Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading. It's coming to live from Vietnam, guys, and I just want to talk about some things. And let's get real serious in the house right now. Remember, this is not financial advice. It's just the OG expressing the opinion. This is for educational purposes only. And I know that a lot of you out there are getting really frustrated. You guys are getting like, what is going on with the markets right now? And we're seeing that, the markets right now have been doing a lot of going up and going down. And I know a lot of you who are new in the business, you're like wondering what is going on? Why are things not moving up faster and faster? And I know that it is very normal to get very frustrated because a lot of you out there, particularly the newbies out there, you guys are always expecting things to go up forever. Now, with that being said, you guys still need to understand that, the market cap right now is pretty much healthy right now, and we're still sitting at around about anywhere from 2.02 to 2.03 trillion, depending on what time of day you're watching this video or this and that. So you guys have to understand that cryptocurrency is very volatile, okay? And there is a lot of things that can really, change the direction or course of any crypto. And, a lot of the altcoins are being led by Bitcoin right now. And, when Bitcoin has a move up or Bitcoin has a move down, that is going to affect all the altcoins. It's going to affect Dogecoin. It's going to affect Shiba Inu. It's going to affect all the altcoins. And sure, a lot of the newbies, they're aping into these like Poo Rocket and, Carrot Rocket and all of these new coins that come down and come out, and these are like coin project number 9,000. Sure, but you guys just have to understand that a lot of these new projects that have only been given birth, weeks or minutes ago, you guys have to be very careful out there because these could be rug pulls. These could be just, people shilling some kind of poo-poo schmata out there, and you guys could get caught. So what I'm saying is it's very normal to be frustrated out there. I understand that. But if we look at the overall tokenomics of things out there, things are looking pretty good. I mean, from the perspective of, we have all this geopolitical stuff that's going on with the Ukraine. We got Canada going in there. And now, they made this emergency declaration. And they're now saying that they can basically seize and block your bank accounts. Like, where is it going to stop? And this actually has had a good impact on crypto because people are realizing that you're not safe out there. So a good safe haven for putting your money is Bitcoin, or because central governments can't take your crypto, right? They can try, but if you've got a hardware wallet or something, they can't touch it. So this is one of the reasons why we saw Bitcoin going up. Also, if we look at the U.S. markets yesterday, the U.S. markets closed up. The Dow Jones was up 1.2%. We saw the S&P was up. We also saw that the NASDAQ was up. So things were looking pretty cool from that perspective. And overall, things look very good. Now, if we look at the pre-markets in the house, we're also seeing that the pre-markets are slightly down. But, this is still mixed. It's only slightly down, as you can see here. But overall, the crypto market's still looking pretty healthy and strong. So if you look at the heat map in the house right now, the heat map, we're seeing that BTC is still in the green zone, time of recording. Remember, prices are volatile. So by the time you're watching it, it could change, guys. It absolutely could change. So don't panic, don't be vitriolic, and don't be a weak Nancy, and make all these silly comments, guys. Because I also do get tired of all the silly comments, and the silliness, the silliness. The plant people tend to crawl out from under rocks and go extreme silliness in the house when they start losing money. And if you bought something yesterday and you're selling it today, then the chances are you're probably losing money. Remember, crypto is a zero-sum game, and what that means, there has to be losers for you to be a winner, okay? So if you want to be on the winning side of crypto and reduce your frustration, one, stop looking at your portfolio every 5 seconds because that's just going to drive you nuts. Stop being, stop being emotional about volatility. There's going to be ups. There's going to be downs. There's going to be consolidation. And right now, you guys should all be in a happy place because we're seeing a lot of consolidation, and this is good. We're not seeing things tankety-tank. So you guys should be pretty happy about that. So, things are looking pretty good overall. We got Bitcoin over 44,100. We got, Ethereum 3,100, over 3,100 bucks. So things are not looking too shabby in the house. So I would not be panicking in the house. People are panicking. We got Doge is up over 15 cents right now. So that is not too shabby. Now, if you look at the Fear and Greed Index right now, the Fear and Greed Index has been actually fantastical in the house. Fear and Greed Index yesterday was 46, and we're now now at neutral again. So that means that the sentiment in the market is becoming positive and more positive. So you guys just have to realize, wake up, smell the coffee, stop panicking out there. Things are looking pretty good, guys. And I know that crypto is getting boring. I know that crypto is getting frustrating, but stop being frustrated. Things that you can do to alleviate your frustration is, one, watch my channel, watch all of my videos, share, and get the message out there. Because I like to take the lighter side of things. Sometimes, there's other influencers out there like too serious or doom and gloom. This is not doom and gloom, guys. This is just, crypto business as usual out there. Having consolidation periods is okay. But, if you look at the fear and greed index, it's still at 51. And you guys all know that I've been talking about this for a long time. The amount of Bitcoin on exchanges is the lowest it's ever been. It's around about 11% right now. Over 91% of all the Bitcoin has been mined. So, we're not making any more Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin only has one direction to go in the long term, and that's up. And if Bitcoin goes up, the altcoins are going to go up. All you have to do is just be patient. You make more money by being patient than you do in terms of trying to sell, buy. If you guys try to day trade and outsmart the market, you will get wrecked every time. So from that being said, you guys just have to stop panicking. So it looks like some bullish news coming in. New York Stock Exchange signals a move to build an NFT marketplace. So it looks like the New York Stock Exchange could be recognizing metaverse, could be recognizing Web3, and if they do in fact decide to build an NFT marketplace, this could be cool, guys. This is big news, guys, because if a centralized exchange a centralized exchange like the stock market, they start to ape into crypto, this is going to have a huge catalyst to have a whole bunch of people jump in and get into crypto, guys. Also, it looks like Warren Buffett just invested $1 billion in Bitcoin-friendly new banks, so that is pretty cool in house. So, Buffett's holding company dumped $1.3 billion and US $1.8 billion from MasterCard and Visa, respectively, according in February 14th. And crypto-friendly new bank is one of the Latin American value banks offering products such as Bitcoin exchange-funded ETF. So, Warren Buffett, he often talks negative about, cryptocurrency, but it looks like that he's aping into cryptocurrency indirectly through his huge investment in new banks. So that is kind of cool, guys. That is absolutely cool, guys. And it looks like also, with the Ukraine-Russian tensions seemingly easing, Buffett's bet on Neobank is also looking pretty good, and that is a Ukrainian-based bank, and that is looking like they're also looking at giving and trading a crypto market on cryptos on that banking platform as well. So Warren Buffett, he's still being a Bitcoin maxi, guys. Looks like global finance magnate MasterCard helps clients to identify challenges, anticipates the next big world finance. So it looks like MasterCard is expanding its consulting services with dedicated crypto practices, and it's really building a platform. It's also funding venture capital to build more applications, dApps and apps on blockchain. So MasterCard has also realized that in the future, your credit card, you're going to be able to pay it off with fiat, you're going to be able to pay it off with crypto, and you're going to be able to tap your cryptocurrency wallets directly with your MasterCard and make that choice. When you go to a POS system and you buy something, they're going to ask you, how do you want to pay, with fiat, US dollar, or you want to pay with crypto. So I think that's coming. It's just a matter of time before that comes, and I think it's going to be really interesting in the house. And we just have to understand that this is just the beginning. This is absolutely just the beginning out there, and this is a crypto revolution. And it's like the internet. In the 90s, everyone's like, the internet, what is that? So as you can see right now, we couldn't live without the internet, and we're seeing that right now. If you're in crypto space, you're in the early adoption phase. So this is really cool. So this is from Little Moon Lambo out there, and if you can see that Ethereum is looking very bullish right now. We can see that Ethereum has basically made the same structural pattern as before reaching an all-time high, and that went up to $5,000. So this is just more evidence that we're going to see crypto blast off to the moon. We can see a $5,000 Ethereum coming in very soon, guys. So don't panic in the house. Everything is looking very cool beans in the house. So let's jump into the biddy right now. So Bitcoin right now is looking very, very good. It's at $44,000 right now. It's exactly $44,000 and some change, and you can see that it's well above my support line at $42,000, and our next target is $45,000. So you know, we did get danger close to $45,000. We got a high of $44,750. So it looks like we could be making some moves to the upside, and I'm not worried. I'm actually not worried in the house. Bitcoin is very healthy. We're seeing Bitcoin on the 4 hours looking very good. It's breaking out of our head and shoulder pattern. We're seeing the parallel pattern for Bitcoin is also looking very good in the house. So do not panic. Absolutely do not panic. Things are looking very healthy out there. And if we look at the total liquidations right now, we're only seeing about 112.95 million people got wrecked. So the leverage age out there, they're still getting wrecked. They never learn. And we're seeing in the last 24 hours, we're seeing that the majority of the positions are short positions. So this is very good for us, because what that's going to tell us is it's definitely going to put us in the short squeeze territory, and that could create a huge price catalyst and take Bitcoin past 45,000. So once Bitcoin gets past 45,000, what that's going to do is that's going to send Dogecoin to the moon right now. So we're seeing Dogecoin right now at time of recording is at 15 cents. We are still in play for the cup and handle, and I still think that 20 cents is definitely in the cards, guys. Absolutely in the cards. And you know, things are looking pretty good, so I wouldn't panic overall. If we look at into the block for Dogecoin right now, things are also looking pretty peachy keen from that perspective, and we can see that Dogecoin is fighting back. It's holding its own, and right now Dogecoin is up about 1.11%, and you know, 53% are in the money, 4 are out, and 44% are out. And we can see that, you know, we're mostly bearish right now for Dogecoin, but things are looking very good. And just, you know, time will tell. Time will absolutely tell out there. So I know that a lot of you are frustrated. Just keep diamond hands. Do not panic. Let's jump into the Ethereum price right now. So Ethereum is looking very good. It's now trading at 3,161. It has just jumped into the Ichimoku cloud. So this is a very good catalyst. If we can break out of this Ichimoku cloud pattern, and the Ichimoku cloud pattern is around about $3,500. If we can break past that, then that is going to send us all the way up to $4,000 for Ethereum. So Ethereum is setting up to look very good in the house. So you guys shouldn't be panicking. It's looking very positive, very good in the house. So I'm loving it. You should be loving it. If we take a look at Phantom in the house, Phantom is following my trend line all the way up to the top, and Phantom is at $2.08 right now. So that is looking good, and we're looking at our near target of around about $2.40 should be incoming very soon. Look at the chart, guys. You're going to love it. I love it. So let's take a look at Solana. Solana is also coming back right now. It's $103. It's exactly on my 103 support line. And, you know, we had a little bit of rejection, but the 103 support line is being supported right now overall. So, you know, overall, guys, the market cap is 2.03 trillion. The Bitcoin dollars are 41.33. And the volumes are at 50 billion. And right now, if we look at the coins in the house right now, we are seeing that Bitcoin right now is at 44,144. That's up 3%. Ethereum is up over 5% at 31.14. We're seeing BNB is also up 6.5%. So things are looking very positive. So we're seeing a pretty much positive day. ADA is up 4.5%. We're seeing Solana is also up as well. It's at $102, also 4.67%. So things are looking very good in the house. And my Doge is up over 2% right now. It's at 15 cents. So that's where we want to be. That's where we need to be. And it looks like we're doing it, guys. So I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. Don't panic. Do go follow me on my Twitter, guys. We have over 4,032 followers. So follow. Go down there. Smash the likes, guys. Stop being frustrated. Stop panicking in the house. We're going to get there. We're in this journey together. And without you, my peeps, my community, this channel wouldn't be possible. So I just want to say God bless you. Thank you very much. And remember, this is not financial advice. Do go down and check all the linky winkies below. Do not forget to go to the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. Go over there, subscribe BYB, and don't forget to check out the merch, guys. Get the merch, get the hats, get the mugs, get all sorts of stuff, guys. So overall, stop panicking, guys. Stop wetting the bed. Be cool. Be patient. You're gonna love it. I love it. Let's get it right now. Woo!